Are you wondering how to make money on the Clubhouse app? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you several ways in which you can use Clubhouse to make money online. Now, before we dive into this, I just want to welcome you to my channel. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I give you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel and you enjoy my content, then please make sure you do so and just hit that notification bell. That way you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Anyway, now let's dive into the topic. Clubhouse is a new app. It's an audio-only app. At the moment, at the time of me recording this video, Clubhouse is only available to people who have an iPhone or an iPad. But in the next few months, I believe it is going to become available to Android users, which is absolutely great news because it's a really good app. But if you're not on the app now and you have an iPhone, now is the time to join and to start getting used to it and building influence on this app, right? Because when it gets crowded, it will be more difficult. The way Clubhouse works is it's an audio-only app. And basically, you open rooms or you go into rooms and you talk. It's a way to network and to get information and to give information to others. It's really a way to meet other people who are in your niche, network with them, and also to help people who need what you are an expert at, if that makes sense, right? It's a platform where you give value live. It is not recording. It is not recorded. The content that you give, the things that you say are not recorded, so they don't stay anywhere, right? So it can be quite tricky, right, to monetize, really, because it's not like a Facebook group or a YouTube channel or a TikTok account, right, where you create content and it stays. On Clubhouse, it's very temporary, right? You go, you talk, you give value, you help other people, or you ask questions yourself, and then once the room is closed, it disappears. But there are ways to monetize this, okay? And we are going to go into these ways. Make sure you stick to the video until the end because it's a little bit more tricky than on other platforms. So just stick around so you get the full explanation. So, number one, the good news. Clubhouse at the moment is rolling out monetization for everyone. So there will be a way for everyone to receive direct money. So let me explain. Not everybody has this yet. I don't have it, for instance, and many of my friends on Clubhouse don't have it yet. However, some people do have this feature. Basically, the way it works is when it looks like this, right? When you have this monetization feature, when people click on your bio, they can click this button, send money. So when you are talking in a room, either because you have organized the room yourself, or because you have hopped into the room and you've stepped up on stage and you've helped out, shared values, shared your knowledge, right? People will be able to pay you, to tip you, to give you something. So obviously not everybody in the room is going to give you some money, but inevitably some people, if you are giving value, if you're being helpful, if you're sharing what you know, then obviously some people are going to give you money. So that's the first way. It's not available to everyone yet, but it's definitely going to be very, very powerful. All the more reason for you to join Clubhouse now and build influence on the platform. Now, the other ways that I'm going to share with you are a little bit more complicated, as I said, so bear with me. The way Clubhouse works is in your bio, you do not have the possibility of putting clickable links. The only clickable links are right at the bottom of the bio, as you can see just here. And there you have the link to Instagram or to Twitter. So you can connect Clubhouse to Instagram and to Twitter, or just to one or the other, right? And that is a clickable link. But anything else in the bio is not clickable. So one way you can make money, obviously, using Clubhouse is, you can connect Clubhouse to Instagram, for instance. And when people click on your Instagram link, they land on your Instagram account. Now, in your bio on Instagram, you can have a link to a product, right, that you're selling, for instance. And that is one way that you can monetize, right? Or on Instagram, you can have a link to something free, right? A lead magnet, something free that you are giving away in exchange for people's email addresses, okay? Never give away something just like for free, just like that. Always make sure that you have a form that collects email addresses. And then you can follow up people with, through email, and then have a call to action to buy a product that you're selling, right? Whatever your niche is, you can always do that. So that's one way that you can do it. Now, another way I wanted to share is in your bio, you can have a call to action for people to go and check your website. Let's just say you have a specialist blog. I don't know, maybe you are in the weight loss niche, for instance, right? And you are selling products that you've created for weight loss, or you have a program, I don't know, maybe an 8-week program, coaching program for people who are trying to lose weight, for instance. And that is your business. That's the way you make money. So in your Clubhouse bio, you can, direct people to that. You can tell people, this is my website, go there to access my 8-week program, or go there to connect with me. Now, of course, it's a bit of a nuisance because the link is not clickable. But, if you make it very clear in your bio that what you're offering, how you can help people, then obviously some people are going to, copy and paste that link. They're going to take it to their browser, they're going to type it in, and they are going to look you up, okay? A quick tip with that, have a website, have a link that's easy, right? That's easy to memorize, that's easy to go and type in. If you have a complicated link, you might want to consider having a link shortener or buying a domain that's easier to remember, right? That's another way that you can use Clubhouse to make money. Now, another way that you can use Clubhouse to make money is, again, in your Clubhouse bio, you can direct them, for instance, to your YouTube channel, right? If your YouTube channel is making you money, either because it's monetized through ads or because, like me, you have links in the description of your videos that, direct people to a product that you are recommending, then by all means do the same as what I just said for a website. In your bio, encourage people to go and check out your YouTube channel. Again, make sure that you've customized the URL of your YouTube channel so that it's easy to remember and to go and find on YouTube, right? Or put the name of your YouTube channel. Don't just put the URL, just put the name of your YouTube channel. I've put, my YouTube channel is Millionaire Mom, right? So then people can type it in and find me quite easily. That is a way that will make you money, obviously. It's an indirect way, right? And now another way, this is the last, so we're nearly at the end of the video, but another way is to create a free lead magnet, right? Something valuable that you are giving for free. Again, let's take my example of the weight loss niche, right? Let's say you are in the weight loss space and it's maybe a big step for people to join your 8-week program directly, right? But you could create a very simple, valuable lead magnet. We call those lead magnets. It's something very valuable that will help people straight away, very quickly, with a problem that they have, right? That you are giving away for free in exchange for an email address. So if we take the example of the weight loss niche, you could make, 5 tips to lose weight fast without being hungry all day. Let's just say, right? And you have this on a quick piece of paper, on a PDF, right? And you could have this, you can have a call to action, again, always in your bio, right? On your Clubhouse bio, you could say, go here to download my 5, my 5 quick tips to lose weight fast without being starving all day, right? You can easily link this to a domain, right, to a domain name. That way, again, people can remember the name, or they take a picture of where they have to go, and then they go to their browser and they type it in. Or alternatively, you could say, there's a link to this lead magnet in my Instagram bio. Yeah, for instance. So you could really, in your Clubhouse bio, you can say, go to Instagram to get my 3 best tips to lose weight fast without being starving all day. Does that make sense? I know it's a bit of a roundabout way, but it's a powerful way. So then what happens is people get your free, valuable freebie, right? They land in your email box, right? You have their email address, and then you follow up by email. Don't spam people, obviously, but then, you build a relationship with them by email, and then gradually you can draw them to your website, to your program, to the product that you're selling. Whatever it is that you're selling, you can draw them to that, and you will make some money that way. So we're coming to the end of this video, but before you go, I just want to add something very, very, very important. So bear with me for another few minutes. Always make sure you are very clear in telling people what to do. So if you want people to go to a website, tell them while you are talking in the room, right? If it's your room, you moderating, tell them very regularly, check my Clubhouse bio and find my website, and then copy and paste the name of my website in your browser and go to my website, right? Or tell them, go to my Clubhouse bio, scroll down, click on my Instagram, and click on the link in my Instagram bio. Always tell people what to do, okay? People will not do things unless you tell them what to do. Tell it in a friendly way, don't order people about, don't spam people, but definitely be very clear in what you want them to do, right? Same with your Clubhouse bio, be very clear, right? Tell them, connect with me on Instagram, find me on YouTube, this is the name of my channel, right? Send me a DM on Instagram, go to my website www.blablabla.com, okay? Be very clear, otherwise people won't do it. So that's a quick tip, especially on Clubhouse where it's more convoluted, right? It's more complicated. It's not a direct thing. So be very, very clear as to how you can help people and what they need to do to get that help from you. Right? So this is the end of this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you enjoy my content. hit the notification bell while you're at it. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Lucky you! If you have any questions about Clubhouse in particular, or about making money online in general, then please make sure you post your questions in a comment below. I will research it and I will get back to you with pleasure. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye for now.